At Crockers, we love our aerosols. You won't find a range like this anywhere. We have over 700 colours in stock.
We've got matte, we've got gloss, we've even got one for the kids.
With high quality European pigments, these products provide superior coverage and are non-fading.
Different caps for different paint application. Good valve function, giving flexibility and control.
These spray paints are perfect for all DIY jobs.
Yes, and our water-based spray option is non-toxic and is perfect for the young artist. The smaller 100ml cans are easy to hold, and any mess left over is easy to clean up with water. And for those larger spray jobs, 300ml sizes are also available in the water-based range. With an exceptional colour range, the most difficult part for you is making decisions on which colours to choose. Spray painting is fast, easy and fun. Spraying gives a smooth finish and is suitable for interior and exterior applications. At times a quality primer will be needed. The team here at Crockers will advise you on what products will give you the best results. And once you've finished that spraying job, here's a handy tip. Tip your spray can upside down and spray it clear when you're done. This clears the nozzle and prevents blockages for when you want to use it again next time.